Ulat ke Meghalaya u Dr. BD Mishra hak atrik uni ubnai dawan u Jowai. Wede ye chemule waki kli distrik kamjuk ki kli kichnat sorkar wo ye pelu yumut waki hak yelang wada penman hak conference hall ke pynkrehkaam u Soil and Water Conservation Officer Jowai. Neliang ulat da penceluru ye ki kli ke distrik wo pentikna waki skim sorkar waro upoi ki chawaro ki wato u yo mentoy. Wo pynkrehkaam hok ye ki skim yo mentoy waro lang. Ulat da banjur ule ye MKam wo sam salonsar ye yo mentoy chawaro hapo ke distrik. Niliong Additional Deputy Commissioner UPK Borod ikubleu ya ulat ye kerchan kamjo ye ya luti wo pentikna wo bero kiskim penroy de pynkrehkaam gi de wabiang. Ulat chwa wo poi wa Jowai dala hier chwa wa durka tempel kanartiang we dalai pa yule ye kimo pen ye hanartiang hi.
And also to know as to what all developmental projects you have in your district and what is your achievement department wise. You see, aim is not to come and have tea or not to come and have formal introduction. All that I want to know is that all of us, me, you, all of us, we are working for the people of our district. And I have taken oath and you have also taken a pledge that we will work for the welfare of our people. So main thing is that whenever some dignitary comes, his aim would be to know as to what all are the developmental projects, how you are implementing it, when you sit in your office, how many people you meet, how many days you are out of your office to go on the ground and see what is happening, how much money or funds are sanctioned for a particular thing and how it is being utilized, which all projects are trailing behind, which all projects are running on time, where mid-course correction is required. So I would request the senior ADC to tell the departments as to what project is being done and what is your achievement and how many people you meet daily, how often you go out of your office to see what is happening on ground, what people require and how you are helping your people. That's the aim. I have come only just to acquaint myself, and if you want my help, if you want anything to be done, you want government to do something for the people which is not being done, I'll certainly try and do it. That is the aim. Aim is not to have only formal introduction or visit is not a formal. All along that I'll be here, I would certainly like to know that all our people, citizens, they are benefiting by your appointment.